So I began with a recipe that called for citrus fruit. And so then I use a peeler, but you can also use a knife to peel your citrus. And so as you can see here, you try to get as little of the pith when you're peeling. So as you can see here, the majority of that pith, which is that white skin, is still on the fruit and not on your peel. So you peel your citrus fruit, put the peels and rinds into your mason jar, cover with white vinegar. Make sure you're only filling to a certain level so you don't corrode your mason jar lids. And so after it's sat in a dark cabinet for 2 weeks, then you want to strain your liquid. So just put a strainer over your jar with your peels, strain your liquid. I've already done that here. So your citrus infused white vinegar should smell very aromatic. So that's one great benefit of citrus fruits, that the aroma is stimulating. It aids in depression and anxiety. Add more citrus fruit to your diet because it's so important for immunity right now, especially in these times. So this concentrate, you could save some of this liquid just as a concentrate, because you could put it in your laundry with some baking soda along with your regular detergent to add a boost of freshness. I know it's springtime, so it's a great time to have this very clean, fresh citrus aroma in your laundry. But to use it as a surface cleaner, I took an amber colored glass spray bottle. And again, you do not need this. You can use a regular plastic spray bottle. You fill half with your concentrate and then the other half with water. Put on your spray cap, nozzle, spritz, wipe down with a clean cloth, and you're good to go. But I like to be extra, so I added some tea tree essential oil, which is also has anti-inflammatory. It's a good antiseptic, but the reason why I added it is because tea tree, its botanical name Melaleuca, has disinfectant activity. So that is one of the main reasons that I'm using tea tree and adding about 5 drops per ounce to my spray bottle. You do not have to do that. So that is my quick, simple recipe. One of my main inspirations for using this was so that my son could participate in cleaning. So this is safe, non-toxic cleaner that you can use across many different surfaces. I like to spray down my baseboards, my refrigerator, my counter, my oven, microwave. I have so many uses for this spray. And then again, it's safe to use for my 9-year-old to use. And so that's my quick. So there's so many ways that you can customize this recipe for yourself. Maybe you only like oranges. Maybe you have rosemary blooming in your backyard, or mint that's growing wildly. Think about adding fresh herbs to your cleaner. But again, thank you for watching. You can follow us on Instagram, J Harden Barrios, or YouTube, Facebook. Search Jules Remedies. Have a great day.